Sharing a video in Zoom. There are many different ways to do that. Let me show you how, and let me also tell you which I think is the best way to do it. And my thanks go to Jim Gould for his aid in getting me finally doing this the right way. The way I've always been doing it is I have a video that I've queued up, and it's sitting down here waiting for me just to hit that button when I'm ready to start sharing to have it start to play. That's one way of doing it, but not necessarily the best way. To share something with other people in a Zoom meeting, you start by selecting Share Screen. You have to have permission to do so, but once you have that permission, select Share Screen, and this is basically what will come up, and one is to share the entire screen, or in my case, this is the video that I've already queued up. This is what I want to share. But what I also have to remember is if I'm doing it this way, I have to share the sound, because if I don't share the sound, that video has sound that needs to be played. And if I don't click this button, the video will play, my mouth will move, but nothing will come out. So I have to select Share Sound. Then I have to select the file or the video, and then I select Share. And now this is what the audience sees, and when I hit the play button, this will start playing. When I'm finished, I can stop sharing. That's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is Share Screen. I can then select Share My Entire Screen. Again, make sure that the Share Sound is selected. This is the entire screen, and then I can select that video that I want to play. And it's now playing. That's number 2. Stop sharing again. The best way of sharing and the easiest way of sharing, again, go into Share Screen. From here, select Advanced Video. It shares the sound. It optimizes for video clips. Hit Share. And now it will give you a file selection. I've already have it set to automatically open this video folder on my desktop. And in here, I put the videos I plan to share during the presentation. The first one will be this one. So this is the one that I'll select. I'll maximize it, and I will now be playing it. This is the best way of doing it. Use the advanced, select video, and it optimizes it, and it's a whole lot better to do it this way than any of the other ways. Hope that helps. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.